Hello, my dear friends. Today we're talking about how clutter leads to dissatisfaction or is linked to dissatisfaction. When you have clutter in your home, there's a pressure, there's a heaviness, there's almost a freeze up that we experience because it's so overwhelming. So we want to start chipping away at it. I don't want you going in with big garbage bags and boxes and a plan for a 6-hour day. That is not going to be something that you can continue with forever. I want you to start with 15 minutes of decluttering. 15 minutes 4 times a week, or 4 units on 1 day a week. 4 15-minute units is an hour, where you clean a small spot of clutter. And as you do, I want you to realize the feeling that you have of satisfaction, not dissatisfaction, not disappointment in yourself. So today, start decluttering. Make it a great day.